Welcome to the RichTV show right here exclusively on Stockhouse, fresh from the VRIC conference, the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. And wow, what a time to have a resource conference with gold and silver just smashing all-time highs. Gold over $5,300 an ounce, silver over $115 an ounce. It's an incredible time to be an investor. An incredible time to be in resources because we are in a super cycle. And I'm going to talk about some gold and silver stocks. But first, I want to talk about some huge news. Rare earth stock, USAR, exploding on news that the US government, the Trump administration, is taking a 10% stake in the stock. I think it's one to watch, and it's one that it has huge upside. Also, CoreWeave doing a deal with Nvidia. Nvidia taking a $2 billion stake in CoreWeave CRWV. They are having an amazing week. Another one to put on your radar and on your watch list. They are exploding quickly. Now let's talk about gold stocks because gold is heating up. Kinross Gold is just absolutely on fire. They're just nonstop. AYA, another gold stock that is hot. USGO, another gold stock that's hot as well. Gold is on fire. EGO as well, another gold stock. And NUGT, a gold ETF that we've talked about, continues to grind higher as gold continues to just shatter records with this super cycle. And it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. How about CEF? It's the Sprott Gold and Silver ETF and Trust. So you get a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver in this, and both are on fire. So CEF has to be one that you're watching. How about some silver stocks? We'll start with the silver ETF, SIL, the silver ETF. That's a great way to play silver because silver is on fire. We've had Vizsla Silver on our show in the past. They are hot. We've had First Majestic Silver on our show in the past. They are hot. Two silver stocks you have to be aware of. And we met with and we went to the Silver Storm booth at the VRIC conference. They look good. $34 million in the bank, no debt, and getting very close to production. An undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed silver company that you need to be aware of, Silver Storm. All right, so we're in a silver and gold storm, so take a look at Silver Storm. We also like Fortuna Mining. We heard them speak at the conference. They've been on fire as well. FSM is their symbol. They're one to watch as well. They've been really hot. Now, AI stocks, one that we really like that we think is got huge potential is TEM, Tempus AI. Look at them as an AI stock. Meta has been heating up and bouncing back after a drop. Intel just reported earnings. They dropped on earnings. We feel like that was a buying opportunity. They're starting to bounce back. So those are all the stocks that we're looking at. And also Cloudflare, symbol NET. We have friends here in Vancouver that work at the company. They're into cybersecurity. All of those guys are doing extremely well. The stock has been on fire. Keep your eye on them. They're having a good week as well. Thank you for watching the RichTV show right here exclusively on Stockhouse. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We're bringing the winners, CEO interviews, breaking news, trending topics in the world of finance, and we do it on a daily basis. You can join us and join our ecosystem at our website, RichTV.io, an ecosystem built by investors for investors. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about finance, and we'd love to have you join us right there. Now, remember, everything we talk about is strictly for information and education purposes. Do your own due diligence and do your own research whenever you think about investing in anything we talk about or discuss here on the show. Past performance is not always an indication of future results, and I do not hold the market up for you to take profits. Our advice to you is, if you buy something and you're in the green, lock in your greens. Build your bank account, build your vault, build your treasury, get in, get out, buy low, sell high, and make sure that you continue to watch your boy here at RichTV. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week right here exclusively on Stockhouse. Until then, keep winning.